Hi, I'm Peter Tompkins. Downer's purpose, enabling communities to thrive, is embedded in our business. But it's not just what we do, it's not just the work and services we deliver every day, it's also how we do it and engaging with the communities where we operate. Downer has just launched our 2024 Reconciliation Action Plan. Now that action plan is our promise to First Nations people, to our customers and to each other that we commit to doing things that support the social and economic development of First Nations people. To mark the launch of our Reconciliation Action Plan, we have 3 of our First Nation employees talking about what reconciliation means to them and the importance of ensuring Downer's Reconciliation Action Plan is implemented and effective.
Reconciliation to me is about acknowledging and addressing past injustices while working towards a more equitable and respectful future.
It acknowledges the wrongs of the past and commits to a brighter future for First Nations communities.
It's a commitment to preserving our culture, traditions and languages. It's about ensuring that our voices are heard and valued in all aspects of society.
Downer has a large role to play in the reconciliation journey.
Ultimately, our Reconciliation Action Plan, it's a promise. It's a promise of partnership and progress. It's a commitment to walking together on a journey towards healing and unity.
It's about creating a shared understanding and a path forward that honours the dignity and rights of all involved.
For me, our RAP is not just a document. It's a testament to the possibility of a better, more just Australia for all, and the part we can all play in that and our accountability to that part.